The color of YASHICA. Step onto the streets where adventures begin. Laughter in the air and echoes of a grin. Discovering seek in the city's heart. There's much to learn. Colors tell stories, beats in every shade, spinning their tales in light and fade. The color of YASHICA.